You make all best dress drinking shape better than you.
It is a grand animal. Aims back with the live with Destiny. Mr. Guys, one heap pasta pasta. I say one heap pasta pasta. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye bye, y'all. Bye bye.
You make all best dress drinking shape better than you. You make all best dressed chicken shape better than blood clot. You the biggest whale out of blood clot waterfront you may attract to. You make all best dressed chicken shape better than you. You make all best dressed chicken and walk on a muggle while your blood clot's done with your shape. Come on now. God give you one little piece of body or hip and you go underneath the table and make you all of the blood clot shape that shape by you. Now you take over the whole blood clot shape. Right now, me can't even get none because you got with everything. You know what I mean? Want to look body? You take a matter of, you know, no body, but if body what means supposed to get in your belly. You take with the whole blood clot shape. All the what the shape you not give away. But you go tell me, say, you know something about me if you tell me. You don't know about me, you know. I everything tell me can prove that. Everything you tell me can prove that. If you tell me seminar, no money, me got the bank. If you tell me say me sick, cause you go come and say people have yet, me can prove that everything blood clot negative. You don't have no of the tell blood clot me. I want him to make you know, go and buy a pair of sheets. Cause from December till January, now we have on one sheet on the bed. Go and buy a pair of sheet to put on the bed. You want a pair of sheet. And you need to get a AC cause the two local fan them can't help you. Sometimes you pressure the poor local fan, sometimes you fling all the fan to blood clot. Rosealee, you need to make them put a window in your wall. At a kilo, sweat a kilo blood clot, you sweat a kilo. Sweat a kilo, Rosealee. Rosealee, you which part you live need snow. Snow need to fall this so. Cause sweat a kilo. You be dead. When they are in a rock house, look here. Me say, the woman love a skirt, the woman love a short skirt. What you call him something? A skirt, short dress. A short dress me call him. And a pair them at you wear, you know? A pair them at you wear, you know? Rosealee will, me say, Rosealee can't even come in a while cut. You see, look here now. T-shirt dress, look here now. You know the Portmore bus them. You know the bus them got Portmore? You see, now the top of the bus, you have one look mark in the top of the bus. No Rosealee, no Rosealee back this. Rosealee, and you look a bus no favor. Rosealee no favor, look a mini bus we got Portmore. You know don't look a mini bus there. Rosealee no favor, look a mini bus them. Tell me if Rosealee not like the look a mini bus them. I swear by my life. I mean a mini bus this. No, you're crazy. Let me ask you something. You notice people can't eat, people can't cook, eat whole heap? And you notice people can't cook, not eat whole heap? Let me ask you something. How much of we are mother we cook for no pitney and no pitney eat more than uno and uno can't eat? When me cook, me can't eat whole heap, you know? No? Me can't eat whole heap when me cook. Me cannot eat. Make me there my auntie yard and my mother yard and no yard. Me lick down the food there. Me lick it down. Me when me there my auntie yard of Florida and then do Thanksgiving a 2 plate of food me eat. Me can't 2 plate of food. When me cook, me can't eat. You know what I tell you, say guys, me come off like beloved because me can't hear me dey on TikTok, beloved. Because me can't name off the food. And no found no mother, they pan eat it off. Because which part of see me I want this appear everybody there. So anyway, everybody are late. They in a foreign country cool. Right now, the 15, me figure one difference is in a city they cold and I don't know how me go manage. I'm coming on my way no jacket. I mean, all me have to do, me have to put my jacket over the clothes. And then when we put the jacket over my clothes, me does. So, when me reach now, me take it off. Cause it's something when me I wear. I want skirt suit. Me not go feel no cold in my foot because me have on the boot the way up on my leg. Rosealee a woman, you know. And Rosealee have 2 pitney. And Rosealee never try to cook yet. And you have 2 pitney. And you have a girl. And you have 32-year-old. So me ask you something, Rosealee. You are 32. So you go wait till you reach 60-year-old before you find a dream? You go wait till you reach about 50-year-old before you find a dream? She can't cook. But she always talk. She can't cook. You never know whether she can't cook. You don't she have more rice than man a cook. Or the woman. She can't cook nothing. You need the man cuss her the other day. You burn up water. She can't cook. Not even one look at till mackerel. Rosealee can type in, look. Jamaica recipe. Chicken and rice. You need to do this, Rosealee. It is no shame. I'm full of chat, so do this, Rosealee.
They are not many.
You need to do this.
Creating all the strong wonders. Only they can imagine.
Hi everyone, it's Raquel of Raquel's Caravan Cuisine, and today I'm going to be making one of my favorite dish, a delicious pot into.
First and foremost, my love, me have got to use one gloves and pick out the 40 leg them and the Rosealee. Then me go underneath. They could love that. Me rather me say, could love that. You're crazy. Sick fucking stomach. She not even like beard. Fucking nasty and dirty. First and foremost, me glad to see her body, me love. Me love body. Her body me say right through until death. Also either. I mean I repent. All me repent, me I take cock. And all me go in a church, me I take cock. I don't know. Where you send me this picture you find out? Because I don't know where this concern before. This big stinking dirty blood. I anytime she dey on live her belly after. Why? My belly, why? Too much garbage in there, that's why I hurt you. Why? Too much garbage in there, that's why your belly hurt you. Too much shit in there, too much garbage in there, that's why I hurt you. And you just eat. You're not drink you're not drink nothing healthy. You're not drink some vitamin water. You're not take no vitamin. You just nyam pure blood clot rice. You want rice turn worm. You want a worm and magic in your belly. And poop and shit in your gut. You talk about man? Man why you? You know say last part of blood clot Africa you take up. You know so Jake ugly and Jake is choppy and all. Man why you? Me that Rosealee. Me not tell no lie. Me don't want to try my cock in your hole to see how it feel. Cause me know it last me. Me know it last blood clot. Me know Rosealee, me that just try my cock. Me that cover your face, tie you down. Cover your face, tie down. Me that fit tie up your belly. Me that fit lift up your belly, tie up your belly. What me that do? Me that get one string and tie up your blood clot belly to the bed aid. Tie up your belly to the bed aid. Tie up your belly to the bed aid. Right? Tie up your breast to the bed aid. Tie up your 2 foot them so wide open a blood clot. Wide open. You mount a black me. Ma, you remember black when you put this guy in Jamaica? I went black. When them a bone key in a Jamaica, black drop. The amount of black I go down and the Rosealee to blood clot. I mean, I just love it too. Me name love that a blood clot. Not the big whale of Jamaica need to come down now. Come down. Shit in a bag. Come down. You can't shit pantality, but you're too big. Flower bag. Leave up all everything over your shoulder. Rosealee, you need to go try. Me don't want Rosealee that batty rider. Me say, you want so Rosealee shape body in the long dirty skirt them. Huh? World. So me now if you come like uno come big. Oh. This big stinking dirty blood clot, dirty future cheer. What's still doing? What the phone drop me my pure garbage in my house. You go talk about me if you find myself. Me already find myself. Go and find a kitchen and cook. Find the dream. Find Jamal and learn to read and learn to spell. Learn to blood clot spell and learn to check. Cause you can't check, you know. You can't check. That's why I want to say I must J cash out the money for you because you don't know if you check. Me never see your beard yet. You see like some people that they pan live and go in and show I go beard and come out. You never beard and come out yet. Monday to Monday you stink. Tuesday to Tuesday you stink. Wednesday to Wednesday you stink. Thursday to Thursday you stink. Friday to Friday you stink. Saturday to Saturday you frowsy. Sunday you're molly. Rosealee. Get up. Find a shower. Go all about. Go all about. Me understand say you can't be in a shower because you're too big. Me kind of understand. Your mother maga. Your grandmother maga. Your pitney maga. Everybody maga. You only come big. Then I wind up your belly so. You need too much but more rice. But more rice. But blood clot, you want me so in bad place at Jamaica? Bad can blood clot catch up you? You want to iron pampas? You're big. And you leak one leap. So you need the iron pampas. What kind of pad? When you come for life a big pad. I hate it. You never see Rosealee them and nobody pan TikTok we say them a ranker. Say guys, today we're not gonna play any match. Today we're gonna reason with you guys. Who never just have a reason and say we not play no match today? Who never just sit down one day and say today we not rank? Today we are gonna sit down and talk to we people? Never. None of uno me no see do that. None of uno out of the pack. None of uno me no see come and say today we are not ranking. On the expect say the same somebody give you 10 lion today, if you give you 10 tomorrow, 10 the next day, and the 10 next day. And when you give them 10 lion and the 10 lion and the 10 lion, you drop broke and come a ball but no hungry. Me talk about thinking Rosealee. And me talk about everybody. This is not Rosealee alone. Me talk about every TikToker, every Jamaica TikToker. Me talk about this is one of the all Jamaica TikToker them. We slunk on the app and never contact to them people. And do wrong. No, Brittany fall off, drop off, long time. Not talk about she. Me talk about the people me stop on the media. 24 hours. And say we now wrong today. We are going to talk to the people them. We love we. Them me talk about. Nobody mind nobody, you know. Not for money. And me have a nice cock in front of me, darling. A nice cock. And a type batty wall. Nice.
I was dying, thank you.
Nice cocky in front. Nice cocky front. Nice batty. And trust and believe me, the man they give me the world for it. If you live at Jamaica, live a certain place and don't have it, you know, easy. Me I go tell you, it don't easy, because I was there. I know. Me did it. So that's why me always go help blood clot people, me love. It not easy at all. You know in Jamaica, you want to look at blood clot sugar. And you not no money for buy it. Oh my God, trust and believe me, it not easy. It don't easy. Me I tell you, it not easy at all. So that's why I go always stretch out my hand and give. But listen, me no want receive no back from uno, and me no want to tell me thanks. Cause me already I get my blessing from God. Me already I get him from me could rich, cause me rich me that turn back poor same time. Cause trust me, as me see one homeless, me I go help them. As me see somebody need me, I go help them and so me tan. Me no need no blessing from uno. Me no want it from uno, me love. Cause me tell you something. On on TikTok, night and day, night and day, night and day, night and day. Destiny is the only person on TikTok that I am one of the only Jamaican person on TikTok. One of the big TikToker them where you see, come here, what followers for me other page. One of the big TikToker where you see if the most people, yes, you know, do help, but you know, don't help a lot of people like how I do. I sit on my life and help out 15 people, 16 people, 20 people in one day. Uno na do that. Uno help one people to them no come back tomorrow and uno go rank. Can no care about no ranking money. Uno care about no ranking money, my love. And just like Rosealee, you just sit down on life, now entertain the people and just collect. Just collect. And then after you come, you beg today, you get how much money, you come back tomorrow, guys. Me a leak,
I was dying, thank you.
So the money where you make yesterday could buy your pad. You need to buy your iron pampas. Cause you leak whole heap. Cause you're very big, you know. So you need an iron pampas. Pad 2010. At 2010? Yes. 2010. Me no never 2010, but I saw so. No one. Come here, say. You see over there, so? The cartel we beat ya. Me mouth supposed to lean. Me want if it lean. It is my mouth. Carry man cocky come and me show me deal with it. Me mouth lean and man kiss me and love it. No man a kiss you. But destiny you can't spell either. How do I? But you can't spell either destiny. How do I spell that word that you type? But look. But you can't spell either destiny. How do I spell that word? What you type? The moderator is very slow. I'm going to move her. I'm going to take her off and move her and block her just for this fight. So, moderator, open a fake page. How do I read what you how do I read what you type? Like how you say me can't read. Or me read what you type. And that me I ask you. Truly and truly that mean that you can't read. Can you say me can't read but me read what you type? So me don't know everybody a come out for me for. And you know what they say, all who you come out for me in a better position than them. Because Candy still right now, Candy still in a tangles with local boy when grape, Nina when grape. And local boy when stab up local boy when stab up Anna live in teeth look in teeth local boy phone and stab local boy. In a blood clot 2006 in that if you go repent for that science also. Anything you do in a life, you know, it tell you, you know, and you could have all look out and go calm and go lick down your blood clot. Me say you could have all look more anything you do in a life, it go lick you. That's why they say do good and good follow you. That's why I go continue blood clot help people and I go continue. Me nah be bad, you know. Me nah go be bad, me go be always be good, you know. Cause me no want suffer, you know. So me I go always be good, you know. Do good and good follow you. You do bad and bad, I go follow blood clot, yo. Oh. This big stinking dirty blood clot, big old dirty, this dirty blood clot girl. No. Nobody can recharge. From TikTok get banned. Some people can recharge, but from, you see me tell you, I the one me delete them account. Me no know. I must be on the app alone. I must be on the Google can recharge. Me no know what they recharge. I me no do no more. Me no do no what all, you know. Me no do no what all for true. Me no do this woman no what all. The woman does a class me I say. She accost me. And I say.
I was dying, thank you.
She accost me. And she say, me make Tiki accost her. Or me fi make Tiki accost you. And me no. You see when Tiki come out, guys, I don't go on the live with Tiki the pan. Either Rosealee and Tiki go chat me, or Rosealee and Tiki and Big One go chat me, but the whole of them is a hypocrite. So when Tiki go pan Big One live, Big One say Destiny bitter and Destiny are wicked. So me I say, oh, as Tiki go pan Big One live, so Big One I say that. That means that Tiki tell Big One something, man. Behind the closed door, cause remember I know me smart. Me smart. Cause me I say, why Big One I say me bitter as Tiki company live? I'm a wicked. And me blood, oh me fi bitter. When I'm me blood clots down with my people on TikTok and help you go across the border. So oh me fi bitter. Oh me fi bitter. When me and my people them sit down pan live 4 hours to 5 hours to help you go cross border. So oh me fi bitter and wicked. Hey, make I tell you something. Me nah come back. Come call none. If I want to call me name, no call me name. But one thing me know, me no need no thanks from nobody when me help. Cause me I just see how the blood clot country when I see how them eyes are clean up the people them and you just come out of detention. And you have blood clot out arrest by your foot. You have blood clot out arrest by your bumbo clot foot. You feel bill. Hey, me know why you about stinking pussy Ivani. Now call him the girl name over. Yes, sir. Because when Tiki did the live a ball, you did see none of them help him. When he were on live and him a cry same stuck a mystical and he said, whoa, I mean don't know the language. None of them did help him. Me a accept none of them did help him. Did none of them help him? Did any one of them help him? No, me it was enough blood clot want to go over the life go help him. None of them did help him. I'm the pan no man. They're too wicked man. You know why me blood clot help him? Cause me know say which part him there. They will chop up him blood clot. The cartel over there will chop him up. You know see you don't know if it's spell. Cause me go talk now, me go bust blood clot liberty pa you cause you germs too. Oh yeah class Rosealee and you now class mother. And you now class Ivani. And you tell me upon the blood clot phone. When me there, you tell me upon the phone me there Paris say. Ivani, I got blood clot help you arrest funding for you. And that your blood clot tell me. And you say me nothing go upon live go talk. Cause you know what Ivani nobody help you. And me say she not help you blood clot. And Ivani never help you. She never did. Ivani never did. And your Ivani a friend. Mother never did. And your mother a friend. So why the hell you don't cuss them? Where Rosealee ya cuss make Rosealee come cuss me? Moderator, you slow you man. Why you Rosealee ya cuss Rosealee come class blood clot me? Why? I know me know you're a class mother I know. Can you go for mother life you big mother money and she say she not give you dollar blood clot. After when him blood clot come out, she buy him ticket out her pocket. She buy him ticket out her pocket. Look what that man here say, yeah, man.
I was dying, thank you.
Me a talk about after. Me a talk about before. Me not talk about after. Me a talk about before. Me a talk about blood clot before. You never did hear she said the 19th of January, the 17th of January she go help him. She did help him. It's them good. You see, just like how she treat her mama bad, I saw the penny them I go treat her like a dog, no blood clots. The penny them all me know the penny them would laugh off. If them look at my mama just big and fat and ugly. Me know your penny them a laugh off you and a mock your blood clot. Come here, penny say, Mommy, how daddy lift you up? Daddy must a Superman. That means them a mock your blood clots. Them a mock you. You just blood clot, bad mind and jealous. Me not trouble her, you know. Honestly say, me not trouble her, you know. What me want to know is, me and Team Destiny help Tiki to a different destination, right? So, why everybody attack me? Big One attack me. Rosealee attack me. Everybody attack me. What I did? What do I did? Did I did something wrong? More than go pan Tiki life, go beg money for him, for them put him cross the blood clot border? Do I do something wrong? Did I did something wrong? I don't did nothing wrong. I went on Tiki live and asked my Team Destiny to support him, to put him cross the next destination. That's all I did. I did not do nothing wrong. But me tell us something.
I was dying, thank
Tiki
you.
Germs. I'm sure to help him. You know why Tiki germs? You just come out of detention. When you are class with Rosealee, you know make it go on. You know so America run. You just come out of blood clot detention. Why you in an argument with Rosealee? You're not even supposed to depend on the blood clot media. You're supposed to get the media. You're supposed to dog low. Pan the blood clot media. Because if you say have court case in a 2 month or 1 month, you're fucking lucky because the bitch them like Big One them come across a long time. Them not lucky. Because no, them can't get a blood clot court case. So when you argue with blood clot, Rosealee, you not lock your blood clot mouth. Because me I go talk with facts. You dey on speaker. Me I ask you something. Please don't hang up my sister. When me there Jamaica, me can talk to my mother like class or them somebody and bring her down. Me when me there Jamaica, me can talk her down and do the things them to her.
No.
Where that reach me?
You drop my computer. Stop. Don't that.
Talk no call me a talk about Rosealee we a deal with her mother like a dog. Where that reach me?
From the man, you put me there.
Okay.
You put me.
Me couldn't talk to my mother. Rosealee me a cuss. I talk to her mother like a
I was
dog.
dying,
Tell her
thank
mother
you.
her mother pick up ants nest. I'm out. Pick up that now. Move that now. I did her mother like a shit. And she me a talk to. She saw me the on the line. Me the on my Destiny standalone page. So come pan it. Come watch. Alright, yeah. I mean sister this real mother said father. Me could say mother said father. Me couldn't talk to my mother so me mouth lick out. My teeth lick out. You want you should deal with her mother pan the line. Me shame. First thing. If my mother, first and foremost, even me there in Florida, me and my mother and that was me couldn't talk to me go to my friend and me go buy some clothes. And my mother asked me, me and tell my mother asked me how we get them from. I say my friend came and and my mother depend and me couldn't even say blood clot, cause on thump and come with that blood clot get. Rosealee talk to your mother like a dog. You saw Rosealee daughter them talk to her, awa. You saw Rosealee daughter talk to her, I saw Rosealee talk to her pitney. That's what I made them say. Them a talk about on TikTok and I comment. Why Rosealee pitney them a talk to her so? I saw she talk to the blood clot pitney them so the pitney them talk to her like a dog. You saw she deal with her penny them? Or she talk to them like any blood clot dog? So them a go talk to them like a dog too. You saw she treat her mother? I saw her penny them a go treat her blood clots.